It's mid-April here in the panhandle of Florida. We're going to be fishing in St. Joe Bay today. Our weather's starting to warm up. We're kind of getting into our spring pattern, so maybe we'll grab some speckled trout, redfish, maybe even some flounder. I'm David, and this is Forgotten Coast Fishing. Got him. All right, hopefully we got a flounder here. I've kind of gotten to some shallow grass and sand flats here. Yeah, we got a little flounder. All right, I didn't get my net ready, did I? Let's see if we can get him over here. This may be a keeper. This is exactly what I was looking for. See, I've got this mix of sand and grass. And a lot of times that's where you'll find these flounder. Let's see if I can get him up. Let's get the net here. I don't want to lose this guy. Oh yeah, he's going to be definitely a keeper. Look at this flounder. Look at him. All right, we got him. We got this nice flounder. Check him out. All right, check this dude out in the sun even. Look at him. Nice flounder. Well, let's see what he measures out. He's got to be 14. Yeah, he's about 16, maybe 16 and a half. So this is a very nice flounder. Look at all those spots and everything. You can see how they can camouflage themselves in the water there. Well, let's get this guy in the box and get this lure back out here. Here's what I caught that guy on. Got to give thanks to my buddy Landrum. I ran into him yesterday and he gave me some of these. I can't remember what they're called. I'll look it up and leave it on the screen there. But I've got this 1/8 ounce weedless screw type hook on it. And since this hook is so light, you really don't have to work it that fast and that hard. Just kind of a slow retrieve and just a little slight jerk on your rod tip is really all you need to do to give some good action. All right, here we go. I think we got him again. Definitely a flounder. You can kind of tell you've got a flounder when it just kind of feels like you've got the grass and all of a sudden they start pulling on you. So this is going to be a flounder, but he's going to be too small. But seems like we found the flounder. Beautiful looking guy. Look how this guy, smaller one, is a little more kind of tan colored. Well, let's give him a measurement. He might be 14. Let's see. Just to be sure, I think he's going to be too small. I'm not sure we want to. Yeah, he's not even 13, but nonetheless, nice flounder. Let's get you back, dude. Oh man, well, I think we got him again. All right, I switched lures too, mostly just because that other one got its tail bitten off by a pinfish. But where is this dude? Okay, here comes another flounder. Look at him right there. See how you can see they can just camouflage themselves so well. But yeah, this dude's going to be too small. But, oh, he got off just as well. We can get this out a lot quicker. So this is what I switched to, a smaller paddle tail by Salt Strong. And this is that same 1/8 ounce weedless hook. Oh man, I think we got another flounder. No, it's a trout. It's a trout. So I went back to the bottom. Oh, he got off. He was too little anyway. So I'm getting kind of deep, as you can kind of see. I think this kind of drops off. There's a ledge. It gets real shallow right here, then it drops off. So I'm fishing kind of that drop off. Like I said, I'm not really moving, so it's kind of good. But whatever this is, I think it was a trout, kind of a smaller one, just basically mutilated this lure. So let's get another one on and see if we can grab him. Oh, got him. Another flounder. Another little one. Oh, he got off. All right, that's okay. He was only maybe 10 inches or something like that. But I've got this on again, going for the flounder. I've caught the last couple on this lure, this white, bright lure, so seems like maybe we're onto something. Hopefully we can get another keeper. That'd be nice. We can keep 5 total. Not sure we're gonna make that quota. I see a little flounder running right there too. Oh, got him right here at the boat. Man, look at that. Little trout right here at the boat. Let's see if he stays on. I was just about to reel it in, but man, he came out of that grass. See, I've got this grass line and sand over here, and he was right at that edge. Let's see if we can get this little guy off. All right, first trout of the day. And some nice flounder earlier. Hopefully now we get into some trout. I'm kind of starting to focus on trout now, so that was good to get that dude. Well, here we go. I think this may be a flounder. Just kind of all of a sudden there was a little bit of weight, a little bit of pull. If it is, I think he's a little one. It's a little something. No, just another little trout. All right. Well, we found the trout. Hopefully we can get, there we go. Good job, trout. Hopefully we can get a few more that are a little bit bigger. So what I'm doing, I found these sand spots, and just like I caught the trout on the edge of this grass, I'm trying to find edges of grass where it meets the sand, whether that's, oh, here we go again, whether that's sand spots or, you know, bigger areas that just switches from sand to grass. And I'm just gonna kind of drift. I can kind of see there's more sandy areas. So I'm just gonna kind of target those just right at the edge. Oh man, right off the bat. Man, this didn't even hit the bottom. We got a little bit bigger one. I don't think he's gonna be our keeper yet. It'd have to be 15 inches. If he is, he's giving us a little bit of more fight. Let's see. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger, but by no means is he a keeper. There you go, little trout. All right. Well, we have found the trout for sure. Oh, here he is again. Man, this is the third trout on my third cast. Now, granted, they're tiny, but hopefully there's some bigger ones mixed in somewhere. I mean, these are little guys. Oh, held on to the lures. He was going back into the water. Oh man, okay, we got something here. Oh yeah, we got something here. He's just taking out my drag here. Oh man, what have we got? I need to tighten up my drag here. Wow, what have we got here? Maybe this is a redfish. I don't know, it's kind of strange. On the last cast, I was pulling back some pinfish. We're just kind of nipping at it and biting it. And then on our very next cast, we get something nice. My drag was kind of acting up earlier, and I kind of unscrewed it here and it seemed like it was fixed, but I don't think I've got much drag left on this reel. Something's wrong with it. So we're gonna have to kind of figure out how we're gonna get this in. I don't know, it's staying down. Oh, it broke. Man, that's a bummer. We've got a bum reel here, and I don't know what that was. Broke it quite easily. I really wasn't putting that much pressure on it, so maybe something with some teeth grabbed it. I'm not sure. I don't know, this is a pin clash 2. Well, let's get our lure back out there and see if we can get him again. Oh, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him. All right, let's see if this is our keeper. I switched over to a mirror lure, kind of hard bait. And let's see if this guy's a keeper. I don't think he's gonna be, but look at all those other small trout with him. No, no, not a keeper. A little bit bigger than those other guys. And here's that lure. It's a mirror lure, kind of a slow sinking. And I wanted to go to this because I'm using my trolling motor as a spot lock to kind of hold myself on this beginning of this grass right here. And I wanted to be able to kind of cast a long way. So that's what this would do, just kind of like some power fishing, just to try to locate these fish. Got him, got him, got him, got him. All right, I kind of feel a little drag coming out. So maybe this is our keeper. Let's see, but we're starting to really kind of get these fish here. Now that I've kind of stopped and started using the spot lock, this wind has really picked up and I was just drifting so fast. I wasn't really getting a chance to kind of work an area very much. Now he's going to be little again. And he got off good. Oh, got him, got him. All right. This could be our keeper, everybody. I don't know, maybe he's just foul hooked. Definitely giving us the best pull so far, but it looks like he may be foul hooked. No, just a feisty little one. Just a feisty little one. I'm gonna get my spot lock on back here. Let's see. Man, maybe he is the biggest one of the day. Definitely. All right, actually, he may be a keeper. I'm sitting here discounting this guy, fooling around with my trolling motor. We may have just a barely 15-inch legal trout here. All right, I switched lures again. This is another mirror lure. I'll look up what it is. I can't remember all this stuff, but I'll put it on the screen what it is. Let's see if you're 15 inches. Let's see. Yeah, man, he's 16. Look at that. We got a keeper trout. All right. Well, let's get this guy in the box, but finally we get one that's big enough to keep. I'm gonna go ahead and head on back. What a great day today. Started out with that nice flounder, and then we got that trout for the box. But it was nice to get those smaller trout as well because we're just getting started with our spring. So hopefully with the next couple months, we'll be able to bring home some other keepers. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss my future videos. So until next time, hope to see you on another episode of Forgotten Coast Fishing.